Look at these tiny things. These tiny things exist in the air, water, and almost everywhere. These things can be seen through a microscope. Do you think you can see these things without the microscope? Click Check Answer to find out. These things are very, very small. Some of them are even smaller than a grain of sand. We cannot see them with the naked eye. So, we need a microscope to see them. These things are called microorganisms. There are many microorganisms that we cannot see with the naked eye in our surroundings. There are many types of microorganisms. Let's investigate the different types of microorganisms.
These microorganisms are fungi. There are many types of fungi. Fungi can be found in many different places. For example, on leaves, soil, and decaying plants. We can also find fungi on rotten food such as rice and bread. Even though fungi are microorganisms, some fungi are big. For example, mushrooms and mold. We can see mushrooms and certain mold without using a microscope. We can only see bacteria by using a microscope. There are many types of bacteria. Bacteria can be found almost everywhere, in the air, soil, and water. They can also be found in and on plants, animals, and humans. This microorganism is a virus. A virus can only be seen through an electron microscope. A virus can be found in plants, animals, and humans. Have you heard about AIDS? AIDS, or acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is caused by a virus. The virus weakens the human body's defense system until the body can no longer fight off infections. This virus is known as human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV virus. These are protozoa. Protozoa can be found in ponds, streams, in the sea, and in soil. Protozoa come in different forms and shapes. Some protozoa have no definite shape. Some protozoa have shapes like a slipper or a rod. These are protozoa. These are protozoa. Protozoa can be found in ponds, streams, in the sea, and in soil. Protozoa come in different forms and shapes. Some protozoa have no definite shape. Some protozoa have shapes like a slipper or a rod. These microorganisms are algae. Algae can be found in ponds, streams, in the sea, and in the ocean. Algae can also be found on land, for example, on moist soil and moist walls. However, some algae like seaweed are big and can be seen with the naked eye.
There are many different types of microorganisms. Algae, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and virus are some types of microorganisms. Microorganisms can be found everywhere. In the water, soil, air, on living things, as well as non-living things.